These are ideas of how you could dress out your rear safety ops. Your first aid kits, this one is a MOLLE compatible one. We've got MOLLE webbing here at the top side right here, so this one MOLLE's on. Flares, maybe your monitors. This one is just clipped onto the carabiner right there. This is a pocket behind here, okay? Behind this pocket, closures at both ends. You know, you might want to carry some extra water for sure. This could go into here. Close that up. It's going to be in there nice and secure. Down below the section, the top section, we've got the lower pockets. You know, maybe make sure you got some warm gear, caps, gloves, those kind of ideas there. Maybe carry some fuses in this pocket over here. So we got these two smaller pockets here at the bottom, sewn on here. It's Velcro closures at each end of this pocket as also. Some of you might be carrying first aid kits like this size. Those will fit right inside there. Closure it up with both ends again with the Velcro closures. Let's go over this side. Ear protection. This one is just, you know, carabinered on right here. Eye protection can just slip into these MOLLE sleeves right like that. Ear protection, I've just got some kind of tucked inside the MOLLE webbing right there. Carabinered on, maybe, you know, just some more gear here. This one has got flash, you know, carry your flashlights, your headlamps and flashlights. And this pocket's over here. These are just ideas, you know, these are just how you might want to dress it out. Maybe some more gloves in here. This one has, you know, just more first aid. This is bodily fluid, kind of cleanup gear right there that fit inside that pocket there. And then, you know, just, you know, safety vests and so forth. These are all ideas of how you could dress out your rear safety ops. Here we have our front safety pocket. It's sewn on the front edge of the seat. It Velcros open and closed here. We Velcro this open. Inside you might carry things like, you know, your safety monitors. You might carry a headlamp for safety purposes here. Okay. Let's close that up. We'll Velcro it back on together, just closed right there. On the outside we have MOLLE webbing. You can see the MOLLE webbing here. That enables you to attach MOLLE gear, such as this first aid kit. It has MOLLE straps that will web through here and snap on the bottom right there. It's a great first aid kit right here and a great placement here. Also some flares, flashlight, other gear that could be on the front of the front safety pocket.